babes, please let us keep praying. Seriously, this thing is not funny anymore and it's getting out of hand. If you people that stay at Ijebu, if you know Mosu restaurant very well, if you know Mosu restaurant very well, we went there yesterday. Immediately we left there, it was only God that saved us. All these guys, they came with gun. Started shouting, oh yeah, I'm a walk pattern. Even if you did not wear panda yesterday, one more for any pants, you will wear it and sit down for like 5 minutes and off it. Please, you guys should keep praying. Hey Joe, I told you pattern you. Keep your pants very well.
Good morning. Nobody should just mind my face. I just wanted to say something. This thing has been bothering me since yesterday. I heard that these Malaysian Yahoo guys are going to salons to collect those towels that they use in cleaning our hair after washing or relaxing our hair. What are these guys coming for? Do they want to kill all of us? I mean, nobody should not just go and collect towel that I used on my hair. Please, I beg you.
There are very wrong informations going on the media these days. Very, very wrong informations that are not true. Where be say we need to face the fact. Which one be say pant lost na Yahoo boy, Percy go mad na Yahoo boy, they kill Percy, they cut breast na Yahoo boy. Yahoo boy know they do all those things so. Yahoo boy no know all those one at the top so. That's why I say they go cut breast. Yahoo boy know they cut breast. Yahoo boy know they carry girl go kill her. If Yahoo boy carry girl na fuck you fuck pay her. Maybe get go and home. All those things where they talk so they keep Percy, they thief pine, they do this one. Now politicians they do those nonsense. Now let's face the facts. Yahoo boys full South Africa. Yes, say that they thief pines for South Africa. Yahoo boys full Malaysia. Yes, say that they cut breast, that they keep people from Malaysia. Yahoo boys full Ghana, that they cut breast, that they guess they run mad for Ghana. Now why be saying in Nigeria those things for the apple? Because now our evil politicians, now that they carry those girls, they go kill them. They carry those girls, go cut breasts, go carry their plants for their own selfish desire, for their own evil reasons where they get. So we should stop blaming Yahoo boys. So now any small thing, any evil thing, they'll say now Yahoo boy know they do all those ones. Yahoo boy if he carry a client picture, go give native daughter. If he carry a client name and picture, carry go church, may they go pray put. If he carry a computer, go some place, may they do one thing put. If he do Yahoo boy ways of doing spiritual things is way different from say carry girl go kill am. Yahoo boy know the key guess. Yahoo boy if he do spiritual thing for a laptop, carry you do spiritual thing for a client's name, for a client picture, may the client pay am. But say Yahoo boy, you go carry girl, go kill and go cut the girl breast. Yahoo boy know they do all those ones. Now politicians, Nigeria evil politicians, they are the ones killing those girls. They are the ones with their own selfish desire. Carry people daughters, go they kill and carry people daughters, go they carry their pints, they do their evil acts where nobody know the reasons for. So let's face the facts. Most stop to they blame Yahoo boys. Yahoo boys no be he don't say where Yahoo starts. He don't say where Yahoo boys they collect money, they buy the big motor. Why be saying now where election day grand 9 pints begin they lost, 9 people begin they run man, 9 different evil things begin they happen. Now politicians they do and politicians now they to be held accountable, not Yahoo boys.
Oh man. People want soft, by all means. People want soft. People want live fresh life. Lord have mercy. See, I take them up to myself, say, man, if I don't fit pass this information, God no go forgive me. See, ladies, more than they very careful. More than they very, very careful. First of all, most of them where they spread on a labu pint for outside, say on a dry pint. Man are they very careful. See, boys are not smiling. They sell pants 200k nowadays. The one when he be say man, he don't get border for the junction, for the center. You know what I mean by border? You as a lady, you know that one will be say man, so can red don't the center. That one I be follow come pants. Now 350k. Now guys is sell am. When I know why they pass on this information, because my mama a woman. My mama a woman. I get very soft space for my heart for ladies. And I get one character when I tell you deal with ladies. A very precious character. I respect ladies a lot. Now make I say, I no go shame to pass this message. Many of una fit don't hear am. But why men know if you pass on a message, be say, una to the form. Some of una to the raise una self up. Mostly the poor men children, una to the raise una self up. Una know the let guy talk. Either una go the blast and say, man, you too talk. Go and look for a job. Go get yourself a job. Go shave your beard. Go barb your hair. Person really tough. You look and say, man, you don't stew. You don't soft. The message be say, the talk not go too much. Make una dey careful. And most of una be say, if una go on a guy place, una pack all una pants una get for house. Go your guy place for just one night stand. It's very dangerous. It is dangerous. If you dey go your guy place, go with one pant or two pants. If you wash them for night, you wear them for morning. So that if you dey go house, you go know. If you pack plenty pants, go your guy house, he dodge one. You no go feel no. Because you pack plenty pants, go there. Ah man, I dey find this my blue pant oh. You no go feel suspect your guy say you want to take your pants. What you want your pants do? Now what your mind go tell you? You go there, this is my blue pants. Okay, maybe I bring them or maybe I not bring them. You go begin to ask yourself question. But your guy don't dodge that pants. But if you be saying only two pants you take, go there. You go know, say na two you carry, go. You go feel remember. It go dey very easy for you to remember. And most of them we get brothers. When they feel say na my brother, see, trust nobody again. Trust nobody again. Your brother if he still carry your pants, go say. If he still carry your pants, go say. And now this one the result when many girls go to find husband, they no go see. Some go marry, they no go see pikin. Some big babes, big auntie, sister, all of the day time now. From year to year, no man don't come up for their door say, Papa, this your daughter now how much? Now this rubbish they cause am. Una they sell una self because of worldly things. Una know they think. Una they let all these small peanuts they take away una sense of reasoning. See, every girl and mother, una supposed get that spirit of mother to take care of men. But now, una they let small things they jump into our brain, go pull virus. No be only there that one for end. You they spread your pants for anywhere. It is dear now. It's very expensive now. And they pay me for these guys when they get patient Hoxo like that. Hoxo day. Legit Hoxo day. Legit Hoxo day. For me as a guy, they call those things laziness and man shit. I don't want to be shy to pass this message. I don't want shame to pass this message. Man, just be careful. Mona just dey careful. That one will be the number one. Number two, money of una be big sister for town now. Una go see small boy of 20-25 years, boy where you know when they born am. You know do mechanic, you know do panebita, you know serve oga. You go just go remove Mercedes come out. You go just go buy Camry. You go just go buy Range Rover. Una just jump enter front. Pikin where you know the day where they born am. Because they buy Mercedes, you go lodge for hotel. You go to sleep with you. Abomination. Mokuna wake up. The country is hard. The country is hard. Now the same country we hard. Now everybody still there. Even Europe not hard past Africa. Many of you are not going to understand. Europe hard past Africa because you don't come, you must succeed. Europe hard past Africa. Africa, everybody knows everybody. Everybody knows everybody in a shingbai. Nobody will carry stressful for your body. But for this Europe, your family, your extended family, all of them will put their stress for your head. So it's very, very heavy. Now, when they Africa, now even get this message. So, when are they careful? When I want stew by all means. When I want soft by all means. Yes, you people should be careful. Be careful. Be vigilant. When I go spread on a pants for inside bedroom. People they from window now they thief pants. People they open louvers. They thief pants where they bedroom. Pants that 200K. Now boys they sell them. The one we don't get border for the middle, like you know, where some kind of red spot don't they? That one I be follow come. Now 350K. 350k, night boys they sell them. So make una dey careful. Don't just see anybody and begin to trust them. Many of una no go even ask yourself questions. Say, this small boy of yesterday, where they road tire pass our house, now they drive Mercedes so. Una no go feel reason am like that. Make una advise yourself. No, una go begin to find una want to get in contact. Una go follow and go chop. Some of una go even follow small boys. When una know the day they born them, go club. Una go to smoke marijuana. Una go to smoke hashish. Una go to smoke pipe. Una go see the post on for Facebook. You will be sister. You will be big girl. We're supposed to call that small boy to others. Say, bros, no verse. So, how come this messages? Una know they ask. Una no care. Una go just sit down for front. Some of una go sit down for front of motor. Tortoise dey under the chair. Una destiny go dey lost. As a man, now they tell una, they give una this advice. Man, they careful because the bamba thing where they happen with this life now women they cause them. Now women they cause them. Una too.